So in this video, we're going to be talking about rotation, reflection, and translation. Rotation is rotating an object without changing its shape. So you can rotate like this and call it a rotation, or you can rotate based on a certain point. And usually this is how people do rotation. They rotate based on a certain point. So this triangle right here is rotated 90 degrees from this point. This is the same triangle rotated at 180 degrees at that point. This is the same triangle rotated 270 degrees at this point. So some shapes have rotational symmetry, and that is they have the same shape or they look the same after being rotated. So I just rotated this circle a few times and it still looks the same. Then we have shapes like this trapezoid that do not have rotational symmetry. So you rotate it like this and it does not look the same. There are shapes like this sun and this hexagon that have some point of rotational symmetry. So if you rotate it like this, it won't have rotational symmetry. But if you rotate it around 45 degrees, you might have rotational symmetry. I changed its shape by accident, but if you didn't change its size, it would be 45 degrees rotational symmetry. Same thing for this one. If you change it, rotate it like this without changing its size, you'd have rotational symmetry at some degrees, and at some degrees you wouldn't have any rotational symmetry. Now reflection is reflecting a shape, basically giving it a mirror image without changing its size. So here we have a triangle rotated on a vertical axis. You can say y-axis. Rotated, and you can see that it's a reflection. They look the same, it's like a mirror image. This is a same triangle, but it's rotated across the horizontal axis. You can say x-axis. And you can see it's a mirror image. This point is right in front of this point. Translation is moving the shape any direction without changing its size. So all of these are examples of translation. This, however, is not an example of translation.